You're not looking for a coach right now. You're looking for someone who's been where you are. I cycled through hard seasons a couple times, lost everything, rebuilt, did it again. That's why I work best with people who've already hit that wall and they don't know what to do. Because until you've lived the worst case scenario, nobody listens. I can tell you exactly what's coming your way and you'll still do it. I get it. I did the same thing. Here's what I'm seeing right now. A lot of businesses are just stuck. They took out an SBA loan or COVID money and it's catching up. They're behind on payments. Creditors calling. Cash is tight. Not many leads. Some need to downsize. Some need to sell. Some need to fight. I help with all of it. I negotiate SBA loans. I help people get them. I help people get out of them. I help owners exit and sell to young entrepreneurs who run software and systems. We roll up businesses for buyers who actually implement technology. The companies that don't are getting left behind, and that's reality. Software and technology is not going anywhere. That's just a reality. I also do asset protection. When you exit or when you die, your family should not be waiting for a judge to decide what happens. We need to make a plan. We need to decide, not the court. So I help with that. And I hate seeing taxes be paid any more than they should. I help with that. I'm overwhelmed with free intakes and partnerships right now, so I got to change things up. Here's what I'm running. $1,000. I come to your office. We sign an NDA so everything's private. I spend a day in your office in your chaos. I look at everything, your financials, operations, your debt, your staffing, all of it. You get a full business plan and strategy and life plan. You see exactly what you get out of it. I'll show you your score compared to the national average. A lot of companies think they're doing well, but their score is low because they don't measure anything. You can't go by emotion. The data does not lie because what you measure grows, and most owners are not measuring their KPIs in every area of their business, just one or two. I've been there. If you're in trouble, I can help. If you need to sell your business, I know buyers. If you need to fight, I know the playbook. Talk to me at Kingdom Coaching. Let's get you out of chaos. 763-373-4478.